3. Fractions. We often hear words like half, quarter, and three-fourths. All these words show that they are part of something. For example, Arjun wants to eat only half of the apple. Mrs. Sharma has completed 1/4 of her sweater. Gaurav has finished 3/4 of his painting. Mohit has learnt 1/3 of his lesson. A fraction is a part of a whole number. A whole can either be a region or a collection. When the whole object is 1, it is called a region. This is the whole cake. We can cut it into parts. Teacher's tip: get the pupils to understand that a fraction shows a part of a whole. When there is a group of objects, it is called a collection. This is the whole collection of oranges. We can take a part of this collection by taking 4 oranges. Fractions of a region. Halves. 2 equal parts of an object are called halves. Each equal part is called 1/2. These shapes have 2 equal parts. We can see here 2 equal parts of the same size. These are called halves. One of the 2 parts is colored. We can say 1/2 is colored. We write 1/2 as 1/2. So we say 1/2 is colored. Thirds. 3 parts are of the same size. 3 equal parts are called thirds. Each equal part is called 1/3. We can see that one of 3 parts is red. So we say 1/3 is red. We write 1/3 as 1/3. Here 2 of the 3 parts are green. So we say 2/3 is green. We write 2/3 as 2/3. Fourths. 4 parts are of the same size. 4 equal parts are called fourths. Each equal part is called 1/4. One of the 4 parts is pink. So we say 1/4 is pink. We write 1/4 as 1/4. 2 of the 4 parts are pink. We say 2/4 is pink. We write 2/4 as 2/4. 3 of the 4 parts are pink. We say 3/4 is pink. We write 3/4 as 3/4. We write fractions by looking at the number of equal parts and the number of parts we are referring to. 3/4 is equal to number of yellow parts by total number of equal parts. Exercise. Write the fraction for the colored parts. a tick on the shapes where 1 by 2 is colored. Put a tick on the shapes where 1 by 3 is colored. Put a tick on the shapes where 2 by 3 is colored. Put a tick on the shapes where 1 by 4 is colored. Put a tick on the shapes where 2 by 4 is colored. Put a tick on the shapes where 3 by 4 is colored. Color 1/2 red. Color 1/3 yellow and 2/3 green. Write 2 fractions for each of the following. Write yes for equal parts and no for unequal parts. Fractions of a collection. A fraction as a part of whole collection or group. Look at this picture. There are 5 shirts in all. 1 shirt is blue. We say 1/4 of the shirts are blue. 1 by 5. Blue shirt, part of a collection. Shirts in all, the whole collection. So we write 1/5 of shirts are blue. There are 5 animals in all. 2 animals are dogs and 3 animals are cats. We say 2/5 animals are dogs, 3/5 animals are cats. Exercise. Match the fraction with the colored part of the pictures. Write 2 fractions for each of the following. Find the fractions. To find 1/2. 1/2 is 1 part of 2 equal parts. Pooja has 12 candies. She wants to give half of them to his younger sister. How many candies should she give to her sister? Pooja should give 1 part of 2 equal parts to her sister. So, she divided the candies into 2 equal groups. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So, we can say that Pooja should give 1 part, namely 6 candies to her sister. To find 1/3. 1/3 is one part of 3 equal parts. Niharika had 9 bananas. She ate 1/3. How many did she eat? Niharika ate one part of 3 equal parts of banana. Divide the bananas into 3 equal groups. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. So, Niharika ate one part, namely 3 bananas. To find 1/4. 1/4 is one part of 4 equal parts. Manoj has 8 color pencils. He takes 1/4 of them to color a picture. How many pencils does he take? Manoj should take one part of 4 equal parts. Divide pencils into 4 equal groups. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So, Manoj should take one part, namely 2 pencils, to color the picture. To find half of any collection or number, divide by 2. To find 1/3, divide by 3. To find 1/4, divide by 4. To find 1/5, divide by 5, and so on. Trixie. Solve. Exercise. Calculate 1/2. Calculate 1/4. Solve the following. Numerator and denominator of a fraction. A fraction has two numerals. One is arranged over another, separated by a line. The numeral above the line is called the numerator, and the one below the line is called the denominator. When there are no colored parts, then the numerator is 0. When the numerator and denominator are the same, then it will give a whole number or 1. We cannot have any fraction with 0 as the denominator. Exercise. Write the fractions. Unit fractions. In the fractions 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, etc., 1 is the numerator, so they are called unit fractions. Thus, if in a fraction the numerator is 1, it is called a unit fraction. Like and unlike fractions. Look at the following fractions carefully. 2/7, 3/7, 4/7, 6/7, 5/7, All these fractions have same denominator, that is 7. These fractions are called like fractions. Thus, the fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. On the other hand, the fractions 4 by 5th, 1 by 2, 7 by 8, 3 by 4, etc. have different denominators. They are called unlike fractions. Thus, the fractions that have different denominators are called unlike fractions. Exercise. Ring the unit fractions in the following. Write whether the following are like fractions or unlike fractions. Equivalent fractions. Look at the following circles of the same size. Shaded part is equal to 1 by 2. Shaded part is equal to 2 by 4th. We observe that the shaded parts of both these circles are the same, or 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4th. Hence, 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 are equivalent fractions. Study the shaded parts of the following 5 strips carefully. Shaded part 1 by 2. Shaded part 2 by 4. Shaded part 3 by 6. Shaded part 4 by 8. Shaded part 5 by 10. In all the above strips, the shaded parts are equal. So, 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 4 by 8 is equal to 5 by 10 are equivalent fractions and represent the same fraction, 1 by 2. Exercise. Write fractions for each of the following figure and then match the equivalent fraction. Word problems.